Ever noticed how your skin kind of gives away how you feel inside? When life's chaotic, your face shows it first. Pimples, dullness, dryness. Yep, everything. But guess what? Clear skin isn't some luxury reserved for people who spend thousands on fancy products. Nope, it's for anyone who decides to treat their skin like it actually matters. So today, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple, real steps that can help you get that glass skin glow right from home. No gimmicks, no filters, just habits that actually work. Now, I'm not here to tell you to buy 20 serums or do a 10-step K-beauty routine. Nah, we're keeping it clean, smart, and simple because good skin, it's really just the result of small habits done consistently. So, you ready? Let's dive in. First, skin reset. Think of your skin like your phone. When it's overloaded with too many apps, oil, dirt, leftover product, it starts lagging, right? So your first job, hit reset. Wash your face with a mild cleanser once in the morning, once before bed. That's it. Nothing harsh, nothing fancy. You don't need magic potions. Your skin just needs a routine. Second, hydration equals high definition. Let's be real. Dull skin is basically thirsty skin. If your face feels dry and flaky, even the best products won't do their job. So, yeah, drink your water, but also hydrate from the outside. Use a light gel or mist, something that feels like giving your face a tiny sip every morning. It literally wakes your glow right up. Third, clearness lives in the tiny things. Okay, this one surprises most people. Your pillowcase, your towel, even your phone screen, these can totally mess with your progress. So treat them like skincare tools. Change pillow covers twice a week, wipe your phone screen daily, and please, don't reuse your face towel. You'd be shocked how much invisible gunk builds up between you and clear skin. Fourth, feed your face, not just your body. You've heard, you are what you eat, right? Well, your skin totally agrees. Add color to your plate, fruits, leafy greens, anything fresh and alive. Vitamin C and omega-3s, those are your skin's favorite snacks. Fifth, respect the recharge. And this might be the most underrated beauty secret out there. Sleep and peace. Your skin works the night shift. It repairs while you rest, so go to bed clean, not stressed. Take a few slow breaths, wash off the day, and let your skin rebuild overnight. It's not self-care fluff, it's science. Remember this, clear skin isn't luck, it's consistency. You don't need perfection, just progress. Start today, even if it's messy. And in a few when you catch that new glow in the mirror, smile, because you built that. Now go take care of the skin. That takes care of you.